everybody, welcome back. Today we're talking about yard preparation and what you need to do before you seed. These are the basic items that you will need to think about before you have your yard seeded. Has final grade been established? The soil needs to be appropriately graded away from the home, and it needs to be clear of sticks, weeds, rocks, and other debris. Will my soil hold grass? Many of our prep properties require a thin layer of topsoil to be spread over all areas where they would like to grow grass. This is necessary because the existing soil is either mostly sand or mostly clay. Has all underground work been completed? Underground drainage, underground irrigation, any conduit, electrical, or gas lines should be run before you seed your property. Speaking of drainage, you'll want to make sure your property has the appropriate water remediation measures. You wouldn't want a good rain to ruin your newly installed soil or seed. How can I help my yard be the most successful? Many of our clients double down and not only install seed and irrigation, but they create or purchase a fertilization schedule as well, optimizing the growth of their new grass. We hope this helps you with your upcoming project. Comment below with any prep questions you have.